we have made since we started fighting this pandemic in March. Lagat asked a question about the testing and the projections. Yes, as Waziri says, we have more than 34 labs now testing for SARS-CoV-2 spread throughout the country. But for the past 1 week or so, you have noticed a decreasing positivity rate, which as of today stands at 6%. So that tells you are making progress, but you have not hit the magical 5%, which we need to hit and sustain for 2 weeks before we can actually say that we are flattening the curve. So our projections are in line with what we told you early in March, April, that the pandemic will peak in late August, September, and empirical data that we are seeing is pointing to that figure, but it is too early to conclusively come to address this matter as at now. So the next 3-4 weeks will be critical to be able to tell us whether we hit the magical 5% and we sustain that positivity rate for 2 weeks, in which case we can conclusively say that we have flattened the curve, and therefore we can be able to lift the remaining measures. The question regarding sports, we have worked very closely with the Ministry of Sports in development of guidelines and protocols to ensure safe resumption of sporting activities without danger to the sportsmen and women and also to the public. And some of these protocols will, of course, ensure that there will be no spectators or audiences in these sports, but people can be able to watch virtually through TV broadcast or through the internet. Yesterday, you watched the Champions League final in Lisbon, which was a virtual